Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got my little baby polish pickup haul from November. And these were like Strong Ladies or something, Famous Ladies or something like that. I think it was Strong Ladies. So I picked up 3 polishes, and I have never tried any polishes from any of these brands. And I'm going to go through them and I will show you what I picked up and what they swatch like. This one is called Bad Reputation, and this is the Joan Jett polish. Isn't that gorgeous? I am a Joan Jett fan. So this is by Nailed It, and it's a 15 ml bottle. Gorgeous polish. And then I picked up my first Poetry Cowgirl nail polish, and this is also 15 ml. And this is a coat of many colors for Dolly Parton. I know, crazy Joan Jett, Dolly Parton. Kind of funny like that. And then we have Music City Beauty. Love, love the bottle. That's just gorgeous. And look at that. And this one is called The People's Princess for Princess Diana. I am a huge fan. And I didn't show y'all Coat of Many Colors, but that is like dead on perfect for Dolly Parton's Coat of Many Colors. So I'm going to grab out a swatch wheel and we're going to get to swatch. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with Nailed It, and this is Bad Reputation. Oh, I love that blue jelly. That is just very nice. Got all those flakies in it. Iridescent flakies. That is so pretty. And in one coat, that's great for jelly. Okay, next we're going to do Poetry Cowgirl, and this is Coat of Many Colors. Oh, I'm in love. I really am in love. Oh my gosh. When I picture Dolly singing that song, this is what I picture her coat looking like. Just all those different colors. Just perfect, perfect, perfect. They nailed that one just excellent. And then the People's Princess. Oh. Hollow and iridescent flakies. Be Still My Heart. Oh, yes. Oh, that is fantastic. Oh, I'm so glad I picked these up. Now, I have not purchased from Polish Pickup in several months. It's because I was too busy being bad at other stores and just didn't have the funds. But I am really glad that I picked these up. And I almost didn't even go look. That's how bad I've been. I almost didn't even go look because I was scared I wasn't going to be able to behave. But I did. I think getting 3 is, you know, a good deal. So that is Bad Reputation. That is really, really pretty. But this, I'm telling you, out of all 3 of these, I am just stunned by this Coat of Many Colors. This is everything in a bottle. I'm telling you, I'd wear a coat like that. Straight up. Okay, look at that. Full coverage. Totally bomb diggity. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous. It's like jeweled nails. Like every kind of jewel. Oh, I love it. And then we're going to do a second coat of the People's Princess. The formula is so smooth on this, even with all that hollow and flaky goodness in there. It's just so smooth. Gorgeous coverage. 2 coats, all of them. Look at that. Alright. So the polish pickup is the once a month. It's just like a smorgasbord. You can go and check out polishes from so many different makers, and if you're interested in trying indies, you can't beat it. It's a one-stop shop. It's not all the indies that are sold, but there are so many of them, and you can try polishes from different indie makers and pay 1 shipping fee. I do believe the shipping in the U.S. is like $3, and for Canada it's $5. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Fix me down below in the comments. I will totally accept it. Like I said, it's been a while since I've ordered from them. So, but what I love about it is there's just so many different, and it's not just nail polish. They do charms and nail charms and nail lotions and oils and just all kinds of goodies nail related. So you might want to go check them out. It's opened, I believe it's the last Friday of each month. You place your order. It's open all weekend, and if you go in, like say you go in on Friday and you put 2 polishes in your basket, and you can go ahead and pay for them and everything, and then you go back in on Saturday or Sunday and put more in, they will, you know, adjust your shipping or refund. Like if they're not going to charge you shipping for each one each day. They will combine it all together, and you can't beat that. You just really cannot beat that. Now, a lot of the companies, when they do post their polishes on there, they will have a limit. So when it's sold out, and that's just it. Some of them have limits, some of them don't. So, you know, it's just, if you really are interested in something, you need to jump on it. So, that is, that's my thing. And it does, and I will be honest, the only drawback that I see with it is that, you know, it does take, like I ordered mine, oh, this is actually October's box. Sorry, I think. So I ordered mine in October, the last weekend of October, and here we are at the last weekend of November, and it's just now getting here. But, you know, pish posh, whatever. Something like that. So if I've got any of this information wrong, I will list it down below. So I will leave a link for a polish pickup down below for you if you would like to go investigate it, check it out, see what you think. I'm sold. I love it. I wish I could do it every month, but sometimes we've got to behave. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my picks this month that I got. And that is it. Until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.